International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women and Girls. Avui és 25 de novembre, Dia Internacional per a l'Eliminació de la Violència contra les Dones i les Xiquetes. Year 6 class wants, with this act, to support women's rights and encourage education movements as a key to end this violence. Les classes de sisè volen, amb aquest acte, donar suport als drets de les dones i impulsar moviments d'igualtat des de l'educació. Clau per acabar amb aquesta violència.
El segon va néixer en 1946 a Filadèlfia, cantant, actriu i activista molt coneguda. Quan sols tenia 17 anys va interpretar la cançó You Don't Own Me, cansada dels dos de l'home i la dona i el masclisme.
Leslie Gore was born in 1946 in Philadelphia, famous singer, actress, and activist. When she had 70 years, she played the song You Don't Own Me, tired of men and women's roles and sexism. I just want to live my life naturally and do what I want to do. This was very revolutionary for her time.
Live my life the way I want to say and do whatever I please.
Don't tell me what to do. Don't tell me what to say. Please, when I go to you, don't do the honest thing. You don't know me. I know just one of your many
We trust in the new generation. We have the power and the change is in our hands.
Us hem interpretat aquesta cançó com missatge d'igualtat.
Confiem en les noves generacions, en nosaltres.
Tenim el poder!
I el canvi està a les nostres mans.
Oh